Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on one SQL interview question. So the question is here, how to get employee names where the name contains more than two letter A's. So here I have EMP table, there are 10 rows, there are different names are there. So I want to get the names having more than two letter A's. So you can see here, this name has more than two letter A's. Arun Sharma. So there are more than two letter A's. So like this, I want to get names having more than two letter A's. Okay. For that, I am writing where class. So I am taking first len of the name. Len of the name minus I am subtracting len after replacing a replacing name. Replace function took three arguments. First one is expression. Expression is name. So next one is substring. Substring here a, and I am replacing with empty space. Okay, which is greater than. Okay, so if you execute this one, so you will see only Arun Sharma is there. So there are 10 records there in the table. Okay, if I trying to execute equal to 2, equal to 2, the names having two letter yes, there are many names there. You can see all these. So Ravi Kumar, Priya Das, Vikram Rao. So every name consists two letter yes. So if you go with the two letter R's, R, letter R. So here you search here. I have three names having two letter R's. So this is how you need to use the len function and replace function. So replace will take three arguments. First one expression and second one substring, and next one is replacement string. So here I am using a replacement string as empty space. Okay, so that we have to mention the number on which number you want. So, okay, we want more than two. More than two. There are no R's. I guess more than two R's. Okay, if I mention A, we have only one name having more than two A's in the Arun Sharma. So this is how you need to write a query to get more than two particular letter from your column in the table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.